GERN stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm observing Geron Corporation stock. The price just keeps melting down, and from what I'm seeing, genuinely just like this is how my chart looked like before. Now, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out 10, 20x moves on my YouTube channel thousands of times, and I've documented everything. And because like I was very open for longs beforehand, and my rules never be getting met, guess what happened? I just stayed away and never took this trade because I only saw like the first break, second break was never here. And after that, I just abandoned the ticker. I mean, honestly, I don't think I've missed out on anything other than potentially some short sells that I could have taken. But yeah, just observing this, I'm not even trying to hide it, you know, we're filling in a gap. And I'm only going to be interested in this price as something bullish the moment I start seeing some great shifts above, like I'm talking 310, you know, $3.08. Other than that, in the meantime, everything is just kind of a short bias. For me, at least, it's obviously not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.